In this video, we are going to discuss the 7 best 9mm handguns you can find on the market. You are going to learn about the 7 best 9mm handguns, the unique aspects that distinguish these 9mm handguns from the rest of the pack, and where and how to use them. As always, all links to the recommended 9mm handguns have been included in the description below. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I publish a new video. 9mm are preferred by all and sundry due to their low profile, lightweight design, and easiness of use. When under pressure, you could still get multiple rounds on target. This makes them a reliable option for self-defense. What's more, the 9mm handguns give beginners an easy time during training. Therefore, these pistols have found love among both novices and experienced gurus alike. Needless to say, there is readily available ammunition in different forms to fit various handgun types. Let's face it, the 9mm handgun market is full. Just about every manufacturer is producing these pistols to feed the burgeoning demand. However, this can pose a selection challenge, which will leave you stranded in making the right move. If this is the kind of the situation you're in, this video reveals the 7 best handguns. Keep watching and you won't be disappointed. In number 1, Glock 19 Generation 5. Coming as an extensively tested sidearm selection, Glock 19 Generation 5 is suitable for both everyday concealed and open carry. The handgun is known across the United States for its reliability as well as deadly action. For that reason, it steers clear of many other models. It is therefore the popular handgun most security agencies including the US Police Department have opted to deploy for their security operations. The handgun features a compact footprint. This makes it easier to handle. It has a 3x15 round removable magazine that is super easy to release and load. The easy-to-roll slide houses both the barrel and hammer to give the gun a well-thought-out build. Then to keep the slide in check is an ambidextrous slide stop lever that's double-sided. There are front and rear sides that become super important, particularly during the night. It is easier to maneuver this pistol thanks to the solid grip and grip panel. Unlike the previous models of the Glock series, this model lacks the finger grooves. The pistol is semi-auto machine with a 15+1 round magazine capacity. Glock 19 Generation 5 also offers a rail for the attachment of accessories like the flashlight, while the 4-inch barrel rifling is set to double your gun accuracy even at increased distances. Its pros include: it is easy to operate, it has a solid grip, it is accurate and shoots a greater distance. Its con includes: despite being compact, it is a bit larger model, and it may not stand up to constant abrasion. Overall, this is the best 9mm handgun for all-round purposes. Number 2. Sig Sauer P320. Like most other handguns, Sig Sauer P320 is built on a compact polymer frame. However, it cuts out a dynamic, unique design and can handle your diverse needs including target shooting, self-defense, among others. The ability of this handgun to entirely convert into a different caliber pistol is a keynote feature. This is actualized by the functional fire control assembly that is removable. Sig Sauer P320 also comes as a striker-fired gun, hence it depicts an excellent trigger pull while keeping the shooter safe all times. Better yet, the trigger featured on this pistol is one piece and self-controls. Do you want to shoot different types of ammo with this handgun? Simply change the slide and magazine and you'll be good to go. And if you want to resize your P320, just get the Sig P320 Exchange Kit. Its pros include excellent shooting range, consistent accuracy, and it is versatile. Its cons are: the plastic frame is not as durable, and the expensive conversion exchange kit. Overall, this is one of the best 9mm handguns for beginners. Number 3. Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0. Smith & Wesson M&P M2.0 is a high-end handgun design. It is a simple striker-fired pistol that is constructed on a durable polymer frame. The handgun offers a 4.25-inch stainless steel barrel with a plain muzzle that shoots at a greater distance. You have a capacity of 17+1. There is a solid grip with aggressive texturing. What this means is that you will have great traction and grip so that the pistol won't be slipping out of the hand during use. Another useful addition to this machine is the long front slide rails. Plus, you get a more functional trigger that is crisp and nice to break. Moreover, the handgun depicts less recoil felt, all thanks to the extended chassis. Also importantly, the handgun features a shortened beaver tail and a leaner slide with serrations in the front end. Its pros include, it is comfortable, it has a steel-reinforced frame, and the grip texture is good. Its con is, it is a wider model not ideal for concealed carry. Overall, this handgun is best suited for ergonomics and provides excellent firing shots. Number 4. CZ P10. Modern shooters have created a sheer demand for modern handguns, and this CZ P10 comes to fill the void with its value-packed pistol features. Fast forward, the handgun has a low profile, striker-fire design, which means it could be a great concealed and carry pistol. The hammer is inbuilt rather than being included on the external. The handgun comes with a 4.61-inch barrel and a 15.1 capacity. When talking about the best millimeter pistols with top safety standards, it's only fair that the CZ P10 handgun is included. This is due to its trigger and the firing pin block safeties. Yet the trigger is still one of the strong points of this pistol. It is pretty what you want from a good gun, smooth, crisp and clean. Additionally, the 3-dot sights provide for easy to shoot experience. The upper rear frame is somewhat distinct and offers a great grip for the hand. Its pros include simple and accurate, comfortable grip, and it is affordable. Its cons are expensive replacement magazines, more recoil is felt. Overall, this is a great budget handgun. Number 5. Beretta M9. Beretta M9 is an improved version of the Beretta 92F, albeit with better, more functional designation. This handgun is not only durable but also comes on as an accurate, reliable option for armed citizens. It features a 4.9-inch barrel with a magazine capacity of 15. The sights included onto the design follow the dot and post pattern nature and provide for quick, easy target sighting. The pistol uses the single-action, double-action operation mechanism. This is something most enthusiasts wouldn't love, but it holds the handgun safety aspects in place while carrying it. Other really important features to look out for this gun include the manual safety lever and the passive firing pin block. By just a flip of the lever, the handgun disassembles easily. The grip is firm courtesy of the front and back strips of the frame that are effectively checkered. Its pros are, it is durable, it comes with a lighter trigger feel, it has a great grip. Its cons are, it's a bit heavy to carry, and the slide is slippery. Overall, this pistol is a recognized personal defense weapon that will justify every single dollar you spend. Number 6. Springfield Armory XTM 3.8 Compact. The Springfield Armory XTM is a true compact handgun with a list of awesome features for seamless operation. XTM Compact has a 3.8-inch long barrel and 19+1 round capacity. Weighing just 1.75 pounds, the pistol poses as a small machine with a plain muzzle. The frame on which it's built is a polymer that resists both wetness and water. The 3-dot sight system efficiently takes the target in perspective quite easily when under pressure. The system includes a fixed dot front sight and a 2-dot fixed rear sight. It also boasts a smooth striker fire trigger. What this means is that you get a more accurate, flawless shots. While the 19-round capacity magazines are a bit hard to load, you get a handy loading tool for the job. Its pros include smooth trigger, accurate shots, and it is well made. Its con is it's not easy to load. Overall, this is a good handgun that comes with a lighter frame. Number 7. H&K VP9. H&K VP9 has been featured as one of the best contemporary models of the handgun. With a barrel length of 4.09 inches and just 25.56 ounces in weight, you have a quick handgun for easy open and concealed carry. The pistol packs a 17-round magazine contrary to the older versions that have been coming with 15-round mags. For better visibility and targeting, There is a high quality front sight complemented with a black serrated rear one. Trigger performance is top notch. Combined with its ergonomics, including the grip and grip frame, there is little that can stop your quest on this handgun. Its pros include great ergonomics. It has awesome precision. It comes with nice sights. Its cons are suspect grip texture and the poor slide stop lever. Overall, this pistol will not disappoint a marksman. It is no one feature machine. I know you loved this video, the best 9mm handguns. Didn't you? Show your love by liking it and sharing it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos like this. Until next time, take care.